The sky was a deep gray blanket, and the rain danced on the roof like tiny drums. Inside, Rehan and Zoya sat by the window, watching the puddles grow in the garden. The world outside looked like a giant, shimmering mirror. "Let's have a race," Rehan said, his eyes brightening. He pulled out a stack of colorful paper from the craft drawer. They sat on the rug, folding and tucking the edges, until they had a fleet of bright paper boats. But these weren't just ordinary boats. Zoya took a purple crayon and carefully wrote "Stay kind" on the side of her bright yellow boat. She wanted her boat to carry a happy thought down the stream. Rehan took a green marker and wrote "Be brave" on his deep blue boat. He imagined his boat as a tiny explorer, ready to face the swirling currents and the giant raindrops. They pulled on their bright yellow raincoats and stepped into the wet world outside. The air smelled of damp earth and fresh leaves. The little stream at the end of the garden was rushing and gurgling with excitement. 3, 2, 1, go! They cheered together. They knelt by the edge of the water and gently released their boats. The yellow boat and the blue boat bobbed on the surface, spinning in little circles before the current caught them. The race was on. The boats glided past tall blades of grass that looked like giant trees. Rehan and Zoya ran along the bank, splashing through the shallow water to keep up with their tiny messengers. Suddenly, a heavy raindrop plopped right onto Zoya's yellow boat. The paper grew soggy, and the boat began to tilt. Slowly, it filled with water and sank beneath the surface, disappearing into the ripples. Zoya's lower lip trembled, but Rehan gave her a quick hug. "It's okay," he whispered. "Even if the boat sinks, the message 'Stay kind' is still in the water. It travels even further now, all the way to the ocean." They walked back to the house, feeling warm despite the rain. They reached for thicker paper and bigger markers. This time, they would make even stronger boats to carry even bigger dreams.